Hello, welcome to Quarter Flips. I'm Dave. If you watched the video that I put up yesterday about the storage unit that I bought at auction for $570, you'll know that I ended that video without opening up the locked Husky box with 2 padlocks that was in the unit and we don't know what's in it. Now, I couldn't find any keys for those locks, but I found myself the next best thing. Let's go grind those locks up and find out what's in there. Okay, so here's what I've figured out. We got a lock right here we got to grind off. We got a lock over here we got to grind off. And it has a lock. Didn't realize that before. It seems to be turned. I would think this is the unlock position. I'm really hoping that when these come off, this thing will just open. I don't want to have to damage the box to get it open. Let's see how this works. Let's find out what's in this thing. Here we go. Huh. All right. Mizuno mitt. Couple of tape measures. A Life Straw personal water filter. Unopened, but that's pretty cool. Shaver. Tire repair inserts. Seattle Seahawks Super Bowl champions. Blu-ray. Some hand tools, power tools. Brand new Philips Norelco shaver. I don't know, maybe I'll use this. I saw the other part of this in another part of the unit. Can't think of the name of it right now. What is this? Free play. Self-powered radio. Oh, it's a wind-up radio. It's like survival kit thing. That's cool. Free play wind-up radio. All right. Some photographs, which means I have to take a drive back to the unit because I have to give back all personals, which is fine. I want to. But I would have liked to have found that stuff before I got into it. Huh. It's a camera. And some Canon lenses. Oh no, this isn't feeling like the massive score, but I still got about half of it to look through, so we'll see. in Brighton, lighting for life. Tripod with no foot. It'd be nice if it had, you know, part I could use. Chemical reaction bag. Thermoses. A bag of thermoses. Honestly, why was this thing locked? This is why it was locked. Got some tools, although they're a little beat up. There's a Craftsman saw. Phone holder. A Zune case. No Zune in it. And another tool bag. Got some stuff. Alright. All kind of trashed though. 1997 penny. Jumper cables. Not like they don't come in handy. They do. Oster Classic. Alright. Osterizer. Well, as you can see, no big surprises. Really, I don't know why that stuff had to be locked the way it was, but you know what? That's cool. That's fine. There's a little bit of stuff here, and it'll be interesting. I'm going to find out about that radio. That wind-up radio is pretty cool. Can't win them all. You know, it's not so bad. There's some kind of cool stuff in there. Mitt's kind of cool. I mean, it's a lot of like $20, $25 items, and that's fine. Those add up and pay for the unit over time. I think, though, it's going to end up being the shoes that are going to be the things that are going to make this unit work for me. And that's going to be another video. I'll go through them and see what they look like. Oh, don't smell a storage unit blender. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and see you next time.